Alrighty, so welcome to Friday morning recorded. So hopefully you get to see this recording before you do quiz 10. To my 7th period geometry class, the expectation is that you will complete quiz 10 today, by the end of Friday, January 22nd, 2021. I need you to complete quiz 10, which I am going, it's posted in your grade book, but I'll also post it in the chat here if anyone is able to show up. Okay, so here is what I'm going to show you here is going to cover the last two questions on today's quiz. All right, this is more Pythagorean theorem, and it's word problems, which is actually very easy. Take a look, please. Okay. Here it says the bottom of a ladder must be placed 8 feet from a wall. The ladder is 17 feet long. How far above the ground does the ladder touch the wall? Okay. So what you need to do is draw a picture. Okay. Draw a picture. Now, okay. It says a ladder must be placed 8 feet from a wall. So if I say draw a wall, I'm going to pretend this is my wall. Okay. So perhaps this is some kind of building, whatever, but this is my wall. Okay. Hello, Akeem. It's going to be a weird day because Synergy is not working properly today. All right. So here, the bottom of a ladder must be placed 8 feet from a wall. So here, this is going to be 8 feet right here. The bottom of a ladder. So here's a ladder. Okay. And we're just gonna make it look like a ladder. Okay. So it says the ladder is 17 feet long. Okay. How far above the ground does the ladder touch the wall? So that means what is the height of the wall? In other words, what is this length right here? So this is going to be a right angle. So we're going to use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And I want you to use your calculator. All right. I want you to do exactly what we did the other day using your calculator. So if I'm looking for b, which is right here, right, I'm going to do it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay. So it's 8 squared plus b squared equals 17 squared. So what I want you to do on your calculator, right, b squared is going to be 17 squared, hit 17, the x squared key, and then minus, and then hit 8 and the x squared key, right? Then you hit equals. Once you hit equals, you hit square root, right? You'll get b squared equals 225, and when you hit square root, okay, you will get b equals 15. Okay? You don't even have to write this out. You can just do on your calculator 17 squared minus 8 and hit the x squared key, hit equals, and then do square root, okay? A soccer field is a rectangle 90 meters wide and 120 meters long, okay? So here's my soccer field. Okay, so this is 90 and this is 120. Coach asked players to run from one corner to the corner diagonally across the field, right? So here, that means what is this distance? Okay. So since we're looking for that diagonal, that's a right triangle. We're looking for the hypotenuse. So that's c squared, or that's c, all right? So we're looking for c, so we're gonna do 90 squared plus 120 squared equals c squared, okay? So on your calculator, all right, I want you to do 90, hit the x squared key. Okay, you'll get 8,100. And press plus 120, hit the x squared key. You'll get 14,400. Okay, hit equals. You get 22,500. And I want you to hit the square root key. Okay. Take the square root and you will get 150. Okay, easy. How far from the base of the house do you need to place a 15-foot ladder so that it exactly reaches the top of a 12-foot wall? Okay, so here's the house. Okay, so 15-foot ladder. 15-foot ladder is going to reach the top of a 12-foot wall. So this here is 12 feet. This ladder is 15 feet. It says how far from the base, meaning what's this number right here? Okay, once again, I want you to use your calculator. Okay, and because we already have the hypotenuse, we're going to do subtract. We're going to do 15, hit the x squared key. We're going to do minus 12, hit the x squared key, and hit equals. Okay, then hit square root key. Okay. So when you hit 15, hit the x squared key minus 12 and the x squared key and hit equals, you get 81. Hit square root and you get 9. Okay. What is the length of a diagonal of a 10 centimeter by 15 centimeter rectangle? Okay. Here's 10. Here's 15. What's the diagonal? Okay. Again, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We're going to do 10, hit the x squared key, plus 15, hit the x squared key, and hit equals. And hit the square root key. Okay. $10x squared plus 15x squared equals, you get 325, hit square root. You're going to get 18.0277563, whatever. Okay. So in this case, you get a decimal, put 18 point, I'm going to just say 03. Okay. The diagonal of a rectangle is 25. Okay. Draw a rectangle. Diagonal is 25. The width is 15. What's the length? Again, 25 x squared minus 15 x squared, hit the equals, and then hit square root x. Okay. 25x squared minus 15x squared, hit equals, then hit square root, you get 20. Okay. Two legs of a right triangle are 8 and 12. Okay. Find the hypotenuse. This is 8, this is 12. We're looking for this. Okay. So we're going to do plus this time. 8, hit the x squared key, plus 12, hit the x squared key, hit equals. Then hit the square root of x key. Okay. 8 squared plus 12 squared, hit equals. Take the square root, you get 14.42. Okay. A baseball diamond is a square that has 90 feet on a side. Here's what a baseball diamond looks like. Home plate here. First base here. Second base here. Third base here. Now, in general, there's the field that looks like this. Okay. But we're not even going to worry about that. So I'm just going to take that away. All right. So a baseball field is 90 on each side. So a player throws a ball from second base to home. Okay. That is a right triangle. How do we figure out what this length is? Plus. So we're going to do 90, hit the x squared key, plus 90, hit the x squared key, hit equals, and hit square root of x. What do you get? 90x squared plus 90x squared equals, hit the square root, 127.28. 127.28. And that's the hypotenuse, or the distance in feet from second base to home plate. Okay. Jill's front door is 42 inches wide and 84 inches tall. Okay. This is 42 and this is 84. She purchased a circular table that is 96 inches in diameter. Will the table fit through the front door? Which means this number here needs to be 96 or greater. So the question is that true? So we got to do 42 squared, hit the x squared key, plus 84, hit the x squared key, hit equals, and then take the square root. So if we do 42, hit x squared, plus 84, hit x squared, hit equals, and hit square root, and you get 93.91. So if this is 93.91, will a 96-inch thing, circular table, whatever, fit into that space? The answer is no. But you have to show why, okay? All right, so today there are 2 questions on today's quiz that will have 2 of the word problems that I just did, actually, okay? All right. Now, I'm going to post your quiz. All right. Hello, Brian. Hello, Akeem. Hello, Elijah. Hello, Eni. Okay. There's your form. All right. That is quiz 10. Please go ahead and do that now. All right. Please make sure you get it over with, because this does count for second quarter. All right. This is not a past due assignment. The past due assignments were already completely due this past Wednesday. But this is a current due, all right? This will be the last item on second quarter, okay? So I do need you to finish this today, all right? So I am going to post this meeting. I am going to email this form, okay, to everybody, but it's also in your grade book, okay? I need everyone to take this today, please. All right. I will stay on in the meeting for about another 5 minutes if you want to ask questions. I'm going to mute myself. Eni, by the way, happy birthday on Sunday. Yes, Adriana. Yeah.
Normally ends at like, wait, here.
There's like 5 people here. 4. All right, gang, I am going to end the meeting so I can get the recording as soon as possible and get that out to everybody. Okay? Please get your quiz done. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.